Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you all 30x location in Dress to Impress Easter update. Okay, first of all guys, I recommend you to change your lighting from day to night so it will be easier for you to see the eggs. And then for your information, we'll find 22 eggs in this lobby. Okay, I'm going to show you the first location. It's behind the podium. Okay, you will be able to find the pink one here. Okay, and move to the next area. I'm going to explore this area. Okay, we have the pink one here, and then I'm going to move forward. Okay, here under the chair, and then it's here as well, the pink one. Okay, and you will find the egg, the green egg in the grass. So guys, here in the grass you will be able to find a lot of eggs. Okay, this one, and right here as well, the pink one is here. Okay, let's move to the 8th location. All right, and then this one as well, the pink one. Okay, and then I found the egg here as well. Okay, then I'm going to go to this area, the leaderboard. It's behind the leaderboard, and go to the fountain, and you will be able to find the blue one, and go to the pool. It's in the water. Okay, it's over here, and then I'm going to go back, and we can go to this vase, and it's hidden here, and then go to the grass again, and this one, the blue one, and next to the rock is the pink one, and here in the grass again it's the blue one. Okay, and move to the next area. It's here, still in the grass, and here as well. Okay, and this is the golden egg. Okay, I already have 20 eggs here, so I just need to find 2 more eggs. Okay, move to this area. Usually people will find it inside the lantern, but mine is next to the lantern. Okay, and then the last one is the most difficult location, I think, because it's hidden over there across the pool. Okay, so here I'm going to give you tips to get the egg. You can go in the water and then you can get it from here. You can tap the egg from here, but you need to find the perfect angle to tap the egg. Okay, I'm just going to click on the egg. Okay, tap on that egg. Okay, finally I got 22 eggs from the lobby. Now it's time to move to the game area. Okay, the first location is here under the desk, and then I'm going to move to this area, and I found the pink one here, and then we can go to the salon. Okay, and the blue one is here, and then I'm going to enter the salon, and under the Lana desk we'll be able to find the pink one and go to the makeup location. Okay, and it's here next to the wall, and then I'm going to go to the dressing room, and it's behind the vase. Then you need to go to the jeans area. Okay, it's here, and the last one is nearby the VIP room. Okay, and finally I have unlocked this pose, and if you want to get the pose, just go to the pose menu and choose the bunny hop. Okay, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thanks for watching, and bye.